What is up, guys? This is Jason Switch here, bringing you guys a brand new video. I haven't done a guitar tutorial in a long time, and it's at the time where X dropped his new album, and you know I gotta do one of his songs because I love one of his songs called Changes. This song's originally on piano, but my friend Brian, Brian, told me to do changes. So dedicate this to Brian in the back over there. You can't really see him, but he's in the back over there doing an essay. So. This is Changes by Xxxtentacion. So hopefully you guys do enjoy this tutorial. And this is a very simple song. All you really need is just a capo. So this is a capo, you guys don't know. I always use this in every guitar video. This is the capo. You need these. These are really like $15 or like $10. Go to Guitar Center. They're really cheap as well there as well. And they're different shapes and sizes. Depends what your guitar neck is really big or not. This is the neck. So with that said, let's put this capo on 4th fret. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4th fret. You're gonna put this on 4th fret because this is standard tuning, just capo. Then the chords are gonna be C. Then the next chord is gonna be A minor. Then the next chord is gonna be E minor. Those are gonna be the 3 main chords you're gonna use in this song. So the chord progression is just gonna be. That's just the main chord progression, but I'll show you guys the strumming pattern in a moment. But let's get through this. So we're going to be playing a C chord in the beginning. So the C chord, as you guys don't know, I'll explain to it. I usually make a different video of the easier version with like explaining chords and all that stuff. But I'll be explaining chords in this video as well, just not as much if you guys want to do another different chords. I don't know. I'll find different chord variations for this song. But right now we're going to be doing a C chord. This is a C chord. So you're going to want to put your ring finger on the 3rd fret on the 5th string. Then you're going to put your middle finger on the 2nd fret on the 4th string. Then your index finger on the 1st fret on the 2nd string. So you get that chord progression. So this is what I'm playing right now. So letting you know, when you read the scale from the neck, from the strings, you're reading it from top to bottom. So you would think that the top string will be the 1st string, but actually it is reversed. The bottom string is the 1st string. So the highest strings is the 1st strings, and the lowest strings is the lowest strings. From the lowest to highest, whatever. It's confusing. But that's what I'm mentioning it on where your fingers are going to be. You can't really see a picture of where my fingers are because I'm doing this. You can't really see which is it that's at, so I'm telling you guys where to put your fingers in what string and what fret. So that's really beneficial. Okay, so that's going to be a C chord. So after that, you're going to play an A minor chord. Just mind firefighters over there. I live really close to their station. Okay, just next chord is going to be A minor chord, so it's going to be A minor. That is going to be very easy chord. I feel like C chord is going to be a kind of a moderate chord for easy beginners, guitar players. So that's not really, it's not that hard of a chord, but it's kind of complicated a little bit because you got to stretch your fingers. So with that said, let's get with the A minor chord. So you're going to want to put your middle finger on the 2nd fret on the 6, 5, 4 on the 4th string. So 2nd fret, 2nd box, 1, 2, and the 4th string. After that, you're going to want to put your ring finger in the bottom of that string. So it's going to be 2nd fret on the 3rd string. Then you're going to want to put your index finger on the 1st fret, 1st box, but on the 2nd string. So it's going to be this. You want to strum that, it's going to be this. That's going to be an A minor chord. So after that, you're going to want to do an E minor chord. Easiest chord out of there. Anybody can play this chord. Just tell somebody to put these 2 fingers in here, and anybody can literally play it. Literally anybody. So with this side, you're going to be putting your middle finger on the 2nd fret on the 5th string, then you're gonna do your ring finger on the 2nd fret on the 4th string. So that's gonna be this. So the 2nd fret just gonna be this, literally this, or you could do this, 2 fingers, whichever. But I like using fingers 3 and 4. So let's do that. So it's gonna be this. So now all together you have these chords: C, A minor, then you have E minor. So now the final part is where we're getting to is the strumming pattern. Strumming pattern is the different variations of patterns where your strumming is up and down, up, down, like up, down, or down, up, down. Those are called strumming patterns. So this strumming pattern for this song, I don't really know yet, but I kind of made my own strumming pattern, and I'm really digging it. So I'll show you guys what the strumming pattern is right now. So that strumming pattern, you're going to start with the chord C. You're going to start with, let me play it first. So it's going to be down, up, down, up, down. Down, up, down, up, down. Then it's going to be E minor, down, up, down, up, down. Then you're going to want to do E minor, down, up, down. But notice that this chord E minor, you're going to hold it for 2 times. So that pretty much like you're playing 2 chords. You're going to hold E minors again twice. So it's going to be C, A minor, and E minor, and then E minor. So it's going to be this all together. That is me holding it twice, so that's 2 chords holding it twice. That's pretty much the whole song, guys. So it's gonna be C, A minor, and E minor. Not really that complicated, and then you just add the lyrics with it and just mess with it. Hopefully you guys did enjoy this tutorial. It's kind of a short video, 7 minutes, 8 minutes, around there. So this is Xxxtentacion's changes on guitar. So hopefully you guys did like the tutorial. If you guys are new to my channel, make sure you guys do hit the subscribe button. I'm trying to get to 1,000. I know you guys helped me break over 27,000 views on my last Xxxtentacion video I made, like, I think 5 months ago or 6 months ago. So that was really cool. I didn't expect that video to blow up, neither this video, but if it does, hey, that's really cool. That's cool for me. So with that said, I'll see you guys next time. Make sure you guys do like this video, you guys did enjoy, and comment down below if you guys want me to do different chord variations or you need more help. I'll make a separate video like I did with the last video that I went viral, I guess, sort of. I don't know. So yeah, just comment down below you want me to do that. I'll always read my comments and I'll always message back. So yeah, peace.